Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista and I have an unboxing here from JOAH Beauty, right? K-Beauty, we love, CVS, Anyway, it is a beauty box subscription service and I was sent this as PR. I hadn't even heard of it, so I haven't even opened this, so I'm gonna give it a try. We're gonna look at it together. We're gonna see what this is about. But apparently, I don't think it's the first or only K-Beauty subscription box, but it is kind of maybe one of, I mean, they're claiming it as like premier or the best or whatever, but it's $60 to $100, even more, maybe $100 to, it's a guaranteed value, and I believe it's $35.95 a month. So yeah, and I know, like I said, how many more subscription boxes am I going to share with you? I don't know, you guys. I don't know why somehow I am, it's like a moth to the flame. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very typical, right? JOAH box. This is the June one. So this is what the little description card of everything that comes inside. So I'm gonna say this is on the low end of value because I think this is only $60 or right around $60. So they are full sizes as far as I can tell. That's cool. Let's start with this Time Stop ampule. So this is the brand, the Plant Base. Oh, I really hope I can use this. Okay, the Plant Base, this is Time Stop Collagen Ampule, mushroom plant extracts. And I will have to look at this to see if it's got anything in here that is a trigger for my skin. There is a ton of stuff that's possibly good. I mean, for sure, right? Aloe and macadamia, seed oil, licorice root extract. Love that for discoloration. Allantoin, great. So hopefully this is a good thing. Let's take a look at it. It has an expiration, that's cool. This is $29 retail. After cleansing and toner, take several drops of the product directly on your skin. It has such a neat, ooh, okay. Ooh, ooh, look at, ooh. I mean, it just kind of has this way of no scent, and if anything, it kind of does smell like a, I thought I smelled like mushroom. I mean, not really, but yeah, I don't smell anything. It's a little, I wonder if there's some snail stuff in here. Nice, cool. Okay, so that is 0.6 ounces, $29 is what that retails. Volume Boost Cara, is that like as in mascara? The best Cara from Misha got adorable with this line edition. You can use the character on top of the packaging, oh, as a bookmark. This mascara is clumping and is no clumping and long lasting. All right. Oh, I see. So it could be, there's two versions out there in the box. Okay, you guys aren't going to get by the time you sign up for this. This is the Misha brand. We love Misha. They are so cute. Oh, and look, because K-Beauty is kind of all about the cute and the whimsy. Oh gosh, those are adorable. They're like little bunny stickers. Oh, this is what they're, oh, mine broke. It's like a little clip and it has a bunny on it and you can clip it. Okay. K-Beauty mascaras have crazy good fiber action going. So this is what it looks like. And it's $9. Did I say that already? Yeah. So I cannot wait to try that because I usually have really good luck with K-Beauty mascaras. They're very fibrous-y and I love making like big clumpy lashes. And I say that in a good way, you know? This is Airfit Lipstick. That's such a funny way of describing it. Velvet Lipstick from Ryer is the brand. So it's slim. Ooh, almost looks like the shade I'm wearing, which by the way is Charlotte Tilbury in Patsy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So it's a very pinky, I don't smell anything. This retails for $17.50. Maybe it's Riri, not Ryer. JOAH box team decided to add in our June box the Airfoot 1 Velvet Matte Lipstick that feels as light as air. Sometimes translation. As summer is just around the corner, it's here. We wanted to get something very light to wear that's not sticky. It's got long-lasting vivid color. Okay. So there's 01, 2, and 3. And I have 01. Oh, the little sticker came off. So I have shade 01, but there are three shades coming. This is from I'm Sorry for My Skin is the brand, and it's called Galactomyces Dry Lock Mask. It's a type of fungus that helps to nourish and revitalize the skin. It's considered as one of the strongest ingredients in skincare to help improve your skin, and mainly used in Korean and Japanese cosmetics. The mask also contains moisturization. After double cleansing your face, because they want to make sure you do that, you can leave it on for 20 minutes. And I love this idea. Galactomyces ferment is the first ingredient in this. Awesome. Love it when what it claims is like the main ingredient. There's niacinamide in here. Love that. Rice extract, mushroom. Darn it, there's lavender. I can either just use this at night so I don't get like any kind of photosensitizing, or I'll give it as a gift. But that's cool. Okay. Some people love lavender, some people like me. Okay, so this is from Farm Stay is the brand. Holy crap. And I mean that good. This is a container of aloe. Aloe seems to always have, but it's a whole thing of aloe. It's only $3. This aloe vera moisture soothing gel is free from mineral oil, artificial pigment, benzophenone, and parabens. It will provide moisture and nutrients and soothe damaged skin. Can be used on your face, body, and hair. You can use it as a mask or as a moisturizer. You can use it as an after sun product or as hair care. Put it in the fridge and then use it after sun or shaving for extra. You're getting full sizes. Like I said, I think as far as value goes, this June's is maybe on the low end of value. Because if it's saying that, you know, each box can be up to $100, this doesn't add up to $100. But, you know, if you love K-Beauty, if you love getting surprises and subscription boxes, you know, here, I'm just here to tell you about it. That's my job. I will leave I will leave links and information in the description box for you to explore it on your own. And yeah, thanks guys for sending me this so much. I hope you enjoy my channel and this video, and I hope you are subscribed. If not, please do so and click on that little red thing right here that says subscribe, or right there, or wherever it is. I don't know. Yeah, so thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.